Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to find the trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. In this section, we will find the value of sin 45 degree, cos 45, tan 45, cot 45 degree, sec 45 degree and cosec 45 degree. Here I am going to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. It is an isosceles right angle triangle. Suppose this angle is 45 degree. Suppose this angle is 45 degree. Now I am going to write the name of this triangle ACB. ACB. Here see at point C, this is the 90 degree angle. Children, you know that if the value of this angle is 45 degree, what will be the value of this angle? This is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. The value of this angle will also 45 degree. And you know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. If this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree. The sum of this and this, 180 minus sum of this and this will become the value of this angle. Here you can see that the value of this angle and this angle are equal. It means the length of this side and this side will also equal because it is an isosceles triangle. Let the length of side AC be A unit and the length of side BC be A unit. The length of this side will also be A unit. By using Pythagoras theorem, I am going to find the length of AB. I am going to find the length of AB. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of AB. AB square is equal to hypotenuse square equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square equal to A square plus A square. AB square equal to 2A square and AB equal to A into root 2 or root 2 A times. Root 2 into A times. Here I am going to find the value of sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is A and hypotenuse is this one. With respect to this angle, this side will be perpendicular and this side will be base. Here sin equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is A and hypotenuse is root 2 times A. A cancel, it will become 1 upon root 2. Now the value of sin 45 equal to what? 1 upon root 2. Similarly, you can find the value of cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree equal to base upon hypotenuse. A upon root 2 times A is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now the value of cos 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. Now I am going to find the value of tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to, you know that in case of tan, perpendicular upon base. Here the length of perpendicular is A unit and the base is also A unit. It will become 1. Now the value of tan 45 is now 1. Cot 45. Cot 45 base upon perpendicular A upon A is equal to 1. Cot 45, the value of cot 45 will also 1. Now the sec 45 degree is equal to, in case of sec, hypotenuse upon base. Root 2 times A upon A is equal to root 2. The value of sec 45 is root 2. At last, cosec 45 degree. The value of cosec 45 degree equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. The hypotenuse is root 2 times a upon a, it is equal to root 2. This is the value of cosec 45 degree. Thank you children.